Hello, welcome. My name is Mercy Choma, and I'll be your guide today as we learn how to greet in the beautiful Igbo language. Whether you are reconnecting with your roots or learning something new, this lesson will be fun, simple, and conversational. Let's dive in. Here's what we'll cover today: common greetings for different times of the day, how to introduce yourself in Igbo, and finally a fun practice dialect to bring it all together. Fun, right? Ready? Let's go. Our first greeting is Otutoma, which means good morning. Repeat after me. Otuto Oma. You can say this to anyone you meet in the morning. Simple and polite. Next up is Ehiti or Ma. This means good afternoon. Say it with me. Ehiti or Ma. Nice job. You're getting the hang of it. And for the evening, we say Mbede or Ma, which means good evening. Let's say it together. Mbede or Ma. Well done. Practice time. Now let's put it into practice. Grandma says Otutoma Nwam, which means good morning, my child. You respond Ututu Oma. Isn't that sweet? Keep practicing this with a smile. Now, let us learn how to introduce yourself. You say, Ahambo Mercy, meaning my name is Mercy. Try saying it with your own name. For example, Ahambo Ada. That's how you make connections. Now let's put both greetings and introductions into a short dialogue. Kelechi says, Ndewo, Ahambo Kelechi. Hello, my name is Kelechi. Ada replies, Ndewo, Ahambo Ada. Hello, my name is Ada. Now try it with a friend in the mirror. You just spoke Igbo. Congratulations. You just learned your first real conversation in Igbo. You can greet anyone. You can introduce yourself. You can hold a basic dialogue. Isn't that amazing? Thank you so much for learning with me today. Don't stop here. Keep practicing and you speak Igbo like a pro in no time. Dalo, that means thank you. Ndewo, and that means well done. See you in the next lesson.